welcome back to my channel. Today we are just at Walmart. We just came to buy some ham and we found some lunchbox for my husband so he could take to work, and of course I have to buy my coffee. So we're just like we're just walking around technically, trying to find some gifts, and that's it.
For sneakerheads.
You know what I thought this was? I thought it was like the thing where I would to throw something and then water will fall on you.
No.
And then yes, I just saw it right now, and it says like.
You should have done that.
All right, you guys. So we're excited because Burlington opened already, so that's where we're going to go find some fitted sheets for Arlene's bed. So I'm so upset because I thought Burlington was open and Marshall's, but they're freaking closed. I had a sad face under my mask. My husband's laughing at me because he said it was closed. I didn't believe him. Do you guys like his hat? I recorded his me giving him his hat because I bought that. Give it to him. Hopefully he likes it, you guys.
Now where's my paleta?
Look at me. Oh, that's not me?
It's not. This is not your Father's Day gift. I got you something else, so. But that's for you.
New sneakers and a new hat.
You can't see the receipt. Look, the receipt in there.
I like it.
You like it?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. That's a bad word.
That's a good gift.
Yeah. You like it for real? So right now we're gonna, where are we going?
Oh, we're gonna go check about the truck?
We're gonna go check my truck to see if it's done. We're gonna go spy on the out of body place. Maybe it's done. They just want to keep it because she's so pretty. Okay, so first we came to our usual stop, the Dollar Tree. We're gonna buy some candles. Fire. So we just stopped by. He's gonna go ask how much is it to get a new tranny on his Dodge Durango. So that's what he wanna go do. And I'm just here in the car. I'm greñuda AF, yo. I can't believe I left my house like this. Like, what? Like, so yeah, today's my last day of freedom because tomorrow I go back to work. Unfortunately, I go back to work. I left work March 30, and I don't even know what today's date is. Tomorrow's date will be June 17th. So I was out for like 3 months, right? March, April, May, yeah. 2 months and a half. I was out for 2 months and a half because I was sick with coronavirus, and then I didn't want to go back, but now I do want to go back, so they let me go back. So that's that. Look, you could actually see my hair, right? So right now we're gonna go check on our truck, my Durango, because if not tomorrow I have to walk to work and walk back home, so it's gonna be sad, but it's all right. So we're gonna go check on Valentina. My truck is Valentina and his truck is Maria, for you guys that didn't know. So we're at the auto body shop right now. It's not done yet. That's Valentina, but I don't think she's done yet.
I think she is.
You think so? I'm not gonna touch. Yes! I don't have to walk back home or walk to work because I had to walk to work tomorrow.
It's pretty clean.
You really did.
Me? How rude.
Now you can see the scratch more visible. I'm so upset, but it's okay. Whoa. Look at my baby. She looks fire. Look. Yo, she looks super fire. What? Bro, like this, she looks beautiful. I'm in my truck again, you guys. My husband's just looking at me. Alright, so we picked up Valentina and are on our way to get my COVID-19 test with my negative test so I could go back to work tomorrow. This driving. So that's what I'm gonna do. We are pulling up to the place. Here it is. Alright guys, so that is today's video. I know it was like all over the place. It's just like a vlog of what we did on our day off today. We did like plenty of things. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be alone.